I know what's wrong with it. It's broken. Hi everyone, we're in a Ford Focus 1.6 petrol. It was starting yesterday, now it doesn't start. When you turn the key, it comes up with engine malfunction. We gotta check why that is. I'm gonna do a quick scan. We'll see if it comes up with anything, and if it does, we're gonna try to investigate what happened with it. Do a report first, wipe the faults, because yesterday I wiped all the faults and it started to run as normal, but then it conked out again. It looks to me like the immobilizer light is on. It will not respond to turning the key, so we'll see what it comes up with. Didn't come up with a Ford EU. Right, automatic selection, breathe in. Reading VIN failed. This car yesterday, it started no problem, now it's basically dead. Could be due to the temperature, because it had problems starting now and then when it was cold apparently, so. No, fuel pump's on, it will not crank. Hold on. Right, quick update. It just did start in the end. It was coming up with engine malfunction all the time. I put into gear, released the clutch, so it moved a little bit. And I don't know why, but it started. It is on now. As you can tell, reading VIN failed. No to return to previous screen. Read again. I can bet you it's going to read it this time. There we go. Explain that to me. The car just jolted a little bit. I just pushed the car a little bit and it managed to correct and read the VIN. So there is definitely a problem with it. We're going to investigate it further. We're going to see what faults it comes up with. But there's definitely going to be a follow-up on this one. Right, select focus. 2008 up. Yes. No. It's 2010 model, 1.6 petrol. And it comes up with acceleration reduced as well. Acceleration reduced. We're going to see what faults it's going to come up with. For the time being, at least it's working and started, so we'll see. Diagnosis. Auto scan. There's going to be faults on the powertrain as yesterday. Yeah, loads. Still comes up with acceleration reduced. I do report to cloud. Never mind. Let's just put fault, whatever. Save. View report. And we're gonna go through what is wrong with it. Theft detected. There was no theft attempt. It is in fact in Swansea, but nobody tried to steal it this time. High-speed CAN controller communication bus. Lost control with BCM. Battery control module, that's a good one. CAN controller area, network. Communication bus fault, receive error. It's all down to CAN network and configuration. And we're gonna see again, we've lost communication with the instrument panel cluster, control module, CAN bus fault. Right, so I would say it's something to do with, I know what's wrong with it. It's broken. Some sort of communication errors. We're gonna wipe the codes and see if it's gonna come back to normal. Yes. Right, still says acceleration reduced. I'm gonna have to, I think, knock it off and start it back up. It's not on high miles as well, it's low mileage really. Started up no problem. And we haven't got acceleration reduced. I'm just going to come out of this. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Scan the faults. And again, I bet you it's going to go through no problem at all. There's no faults now. So it seems like it's going to be a problem with one of the modules. The thing that worries me though, it's already on the right temperature. It shouldn't be yet. It's bang on half of the gauge. And I've just started the car. It hasn't been started since this morning, so there's a problem with ABS as well. Let's see what is the problem. Yes. Right, CAN controller. So it seems that it's got a problem with CAN communication. Right, I'm going to try to drive it back, and when it's going to be daylight, I'm going to try to investigate further. I'm going to get back to you on this. Please like and subscribe, so you definitely won't miss the next episode. We're going to see what's wrong with it. I'll see you on the next one.